are closed, resulting in some evacuation.
Every moment in this video is a reminder of humanity's fragility in the face of nature. Let's witness some truly astonishing natural disasters right now. And a sudden landslide caused massive boulders to roll down a mountain slope straight onto the road. One unlucky car was struck by a giant rock, trapping the driver inside. The incident highlights the danger of mountainside landslides along highways, especially during rainy seasons or after minor earthquakes that weaken the terrain. A strong gust of wind toppled a tree onto a wooden house by the riverbank. Fortunately, no serious damage occurred. This is a miraculous survival case in a natural disaster, where instinct helped the family narrowly avoid danger.
Get out of the way! Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down!
Okay. You're okay. You're okay. Oh my God. You're okay. No, you're okay. You're okay.
The area of Little Falls, New Jersey, USA was submerged by a flash flood after several days of heavy rain. Dozens of new cars were swept away like wooden rafts piling up under a bridge. Never underestimate the power of nature. A few minutes is all it takes for everything you own to disappear in the flood.
That's so much. That's so many cars with so much. Oh my God. Oh my God.
An extremely powerful tornado suddenly appeared, shaking the entire area. The tornado's intensity was rated very strong, with winds capable of toppling utility poles, destroying homes and causing widespread power outages. A massive wildfire broke out in the settlement of Sosva, in the Sverdlovsk region of Russia, completely burning down more than 50 buildings. This disaster serves as a clear reminder of the dangers of forest fires and urban spread fires, especially in regions with prolonged dry and hot climates. An extremely powerful tornado swept through the city of Clarksville, Tennessee. The swirling winds carried debris through the air, and power poles shook violently in the pouring rain.
I hope nobody was in those houses.
The vehicle was parked in the worst spot imaginable. A massive white sheet of snow broke off from a high mountainside and tumbled down like a crashing white wave approaching the group standing nearby. Fortunately, no one was injured in the incident.
The good news is that nobody sustained any major injuries.
Super Typhoon. Beryl made landfall with extremely strong winds causing severe damage to Carriacou Island. Reports stated that many structures were blown away, and power, water, and telecommunication systems were disrupted. Local residents were left without shelter. Tornadoes are extremely dangerous phenomena that can move quickly and cause serious damage. If these images made you shiver at the terrifying power of nature, subscribe to the channel today so you won't miss any more raw, breath-stealing, and urgent moments of natural disaster.